the most powerful LED projector on budget. What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have something interesting in the home. Now you people know, right, we do a lot of projector reviews on a regular basis and we've covered variety of models on our channel guys, affordable category, budget models and also smart Android variants as well. But no matter which model I cover, right, number one comment I get in the comment section from you people is, what is the brightness of that projector, lumen capacity and stuff like that, because most of these affordable category budget models do not have like good brightness guys. So unless you're using these projectors in like pitch black environment or like dark rooms covering all your windows, right, you won't fully enjoy the experience. But now you don't need to worry about that because we have a new model in the home recently launched in the market. This is Zebronics all new Pixaplay 58 and is one of the most powerful LED projectors in this price segment guys. It literally offers up to 11,500 lumens. What? Not only that, as I've told you, this is also a smart LED projector. You're getting Android operating system on board. You've got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. You can easily watch OTT content and also YouTube. So plenty of other features are also there. This is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so this is the projector I was talking about. Zebronics all new Pixaplay 58 recently launched in the market. It's available only in this one color, which is white edition, and has like lots of interesting features. Main highlight would be it is the brightest LED projector in this price segment guys, with up to 11,500 lumens. So I'm like quite excited to see how it actually performs in day-to-day life. Keeping that aside, plenty of other features as well. Yes, it is a smart LED projector with Android operating system and other features. We'll talk about all of that once we get started with the video. As soon as you open it, there you go. This is the projector we've been waiting for, and my god, initial impressions quite large in size, and I love the black and white theme they went for. Keeping that aside, you also get some accessories in the package which include a mains cord for the projector. A free HDMI cable is also included, and this is your remote control for the projector guys. Plenty of buttons I'd say, and quality of the remote is decent, entirely made of plastic and has a nice matte black finish. And last but not the least, you're also getting a lens cleaning cloth included over here. So that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you like a closer look at the product and first of all talk about the design and build quality. Let me just quickly pop out this rubber cap on the lens, and there you go. Looks quite premium for the price tag. I love this black and white theme they went for, and I have to mention guys, projector is actually quite large in size and definitely has weight to it. It's easily around like 1.9 kgs. Build quality is solid man. Entire body is made of like heavy duty polycarbonate material. At the top side you're getting a whole control panel, Zebronics Pixaplay 58 logo, and also two adjustable knobs as well. I believe these are for your focus and also keystone correction. Now going to the front side, here's how it looks like. First of all, let me tell you, Pixaplay 58 is a native 1080p projector and has like all the smart features. Built-in dual band Wi-Fi support is said, Bluetooth is also available, and comes with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of onboard storage. Quality of the lens element on the front also looks pretty decent, multi-coated, yes. And going to the right profile, here you can check out all of its connectivity ports. There's a large cutout maybe for like air circulation to keep it running cool. Having a closer look, you're getting a 3.5mm headphone jack. AV in is also there. 3 HDMI ports to connect multiple sources, and 2 USB Type A ports are also available. At the back side, you get some IR sensors for the remote. Mains cord port is also there to give it power, and I believe these cutouts are for the speakers. Yes, the projector has built-in speakers as well. That's it. There's nothing on the right profile. And going to the bottom side, here you got some info regarding the model. A 1/4" thread is there at the center, so you can easily mount it onto a tripod or monopod, and yes, an angle adjustment screw is also there. So that's it, our complete overview on the design and build quality part. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue the video. So there you go. Here's how the home screen on the projector looks like. Very clean and modern looking UI. Everything can be accessed right from the home screen. First of all, as I've told you, this is a smart Android LED projector and runs on Android version 9 and also has like a custom Zebronics skin on top of it. All the apps are like very easily accessible. Plenty of OTT apps are already pre-installed. Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, Google Play Store is also there. So simply log in and you can download all your favorite apps right over here. So not just Play Store, you also have like a dedicated app store which offers custom apps specially made for like TVs and projectors. From here also you can download plenty of applications and just have a look at that, you'll get an idea. Keeping that aside, from the home screen you do have options for like casting, mirror casting on both Android as well as iPhones as well. So both these options are available and you can easily access all your input sources right from the home screen itself. Overall navigation on the home screen, opening and closing of apps and transitions, everything felt like pretty decent for your day-to-day sort of usage. Keeping that aside, let me also quickly show you the available projector settings. As I've told you, this smart projector projector supports dual band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Both these bands are supported. Bluetooth version 5.0 is also there, so you can easily connect your Bluetooth speakers, and these are your projector settings. And yes, upside down projection mode is also there in case if you ceiling mounted. You can even access like manual keystone correction, 4-point correction, and all of these from the settings. So that was like a brief overview on the software and applications. What I'll do is I'll quickly play some videos for you people. Just have a look at that, and then we'll talk about the picture and the built-in speaker sound quality. Every time I post a PC build video on the channel, I get like 10 to 20% of the comments asking like, Vimal bro, can you make like a step-by-step detailed tutorial on how to build a PC from scratch? No, I'm not talking about the regular components installation. That too anyhow I keep showing only in my PC build videos. Zebronics Pixaplay 58 is a native 1080p smart Android LED projector, and picture quality is actually pretty good for the price that you're paying. First of all, let me tell you, you're getting native 1080p resolution, right? And it supports a max picture size of up to 210 inches, guys, which is like pretty crazy, I would say. I have been using this projector mostly around like 160, 170 inches, and that was giving like very optimal picture quality results. One more thing I have to mention is about the lens quality. Zebronics has obviously given like a good quality lens element over here, and because of that you're getting like really good corner to corner picture sharpness as well. On most of these affordable budget category projectors, right, you don't get good quality lens, and because of that only the central area of the projection image looks good, and as and how you go to the corners, right, image loses sharpness. That is not the case over here, so definitely a plus point for you. If you ask about the contrast levels and black levels, good contrast levels and deep black levels as well. And coming to colors, color quality is also like very good, guys. It is producing like rich and accurate looking colors. Look at the skin tones over here in these samples, you will only get an idea. And now coming to the brightness, Pixaplay 58 offers up to 11,500 lumens, guys, which is like the brightest LED projector we have reviewed in this price segment. I've reviewed a lot of other Pixaplay variants also from Zebronics in the similar price range, and this particular model was offering up to like 25-30% more brightness than that. So definitely good, even if you don't have like pitch black rooms or dark environment, right? Nothing to worry about. Even if there are a bit of light sources or window light leaks, right, you don't need to worry about that. Picture quality looks great on this thing. Only thing if I had to nitpick is Pixaplay 58 doesn't support 4K video playback. Max resolution supported is only 1080p, so keep this point in mind. Keeping that aside, let me also talk about the audio quality. Pixaplay 58 comes with built-in stereo speakers, and audio quality was not bad, guys. I mean, for the price that you're paying, right, good quality experience you're getting. Crisp and clear vocals, all the dialogues were like easily understandable, and output was also like pretty decent, I would say. You don't need like an external Bluetooth speaker for this. If you're a bit tight on a budget, right, the built-in speakers will definitely get your job done. And based on my experience, right, I felt the built-in speakers were producing roughly around 4 to 5 watts of output. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our video on Zebronics all new Pixaplay 58. It's a really good projector, and main highlight, as I've told you, is its brightness capacity, guys. 11,500 lumens, making it one of the brightest LED projector in this price segment. Image quality is also nice, and on top of that, it's a smart Android projector, right? So you're getting all the features you're looking for over here. Only thing if I had to mention is I really wish the projector had like autofocus support, guys. Apart from that, everything else was nice. It costs around 19,990 rupees. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching the video and got all the information you're looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.